Here's a look at a cutting horse saddle I made. It's an 18-inch cutting horse saddle I made for Fred in January of 1985. I put it about 33 years old at the time of this video right here. That's Styles Welch aluminum ox bows. And the hoof pick holder needs a snap on it. I'll put a snap on that. Leather's a little bit dry, but I can bring it back to life with a little oil and saddle cream. Wages conchos. The saddle number is number 112. You can faintly see it stamped into the D there. Braided rawhide horn. Rust colored, slightly padded seat. The machine stitch was before the padding was put in, so it's not really quilted too much. 10 to 11 ounce rough out leather, and give this saddle a little tune up. There it is after I oiled it. Worked on it a day and a half, kind of rubbing it with saddle cream and oil. Kind of brought it back to life. Feels pretty good now. And I worked on the flank cinch a little bit, replaced one concho that got lost, and tightened the conchos up, and put a hobble strap from the front cinch to the back with a new stainless steel buckle there. Kind of limbered that flank cinch up. It was a little bit stiff. Should give several more years of good use. Thanks for watching.